the internet has a short memory, but some things simply shouldn't vanish just because a company goes out of business. All the links for Arweave, after you've watched today's video of course, will be right at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. And please do remember everyone, for any financial or cryptocurrency related projects or products that we discuss, those videos are never financial advice and we are not financial advisors. I'm really looking forward to bringing you this one. Let's get started. Alright everyone, today's a very important video because we're going to be talking to you about Arweave. So, the first topic I want to cover is why permanence changes behaviour. You see, these days, most platforms actually assume that data is temporary. Content nowadays is optimized for clicks rather than longevity, and permanent storage compels people to publish intentionally. Alright, so you might be wondering, well, what does Arweave actually do? What does it make possible? Arweave enables applications that depend on immutable data, meaning it cannot be tampered with once it's been created. This means on-chain history and data that simply cannot be changed, and it's available for the public to view if you know how. On top of that, we're talking about decentralized social and publishing tools. Alright, so who is Arweave actually for? We're talking about builders who are thinking in terms of decades, not just quarters. Creators who genuinely value permanence over mere reach. And of course, anyone who sees data as cultural memory. Want to get your YouTube video to the top of the YouTube search engine? Use ytranker.net to start getting your YouTube videos ranked right at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. First, we're going to open an incognito window here on Google Chrome to make sure there's no previous search bias. We're going to type in youtube.com, and before we do the search we need to click on the settings, the three dots here. Make sure the language is set to English and that the location is set to the United States. Once the United States has been selected, we're going to go into the search engine, do our first search and type in Botsel. As we can see right there, right at the top, this video here by BizCheck is actually a video that UT managed to get to the top of the search engine. Right there, boom, there it is. Now let's go in and type another one, Lead Sniper, and have a look, and bang! Again, top digital products, this video here, and also again, BizCheck Botsel versus Lead Sniper right at the top of the search. So what are you waiting for? Get ytranker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos right at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. Back to the video. Arweave is essentially for anyone who shares a strong philosophical stance on data ownership, and it really does complement other blockchains as a storage layer. I just love that the focus is actually on permanence rather than simply scaling at any cost to the community. So before posting or building anything that actually matters to you, if it's going to be long term, really ask yourself, where does it live or where should it live? If the data disappears, then remember, the work disappears with it. All of the links for Arweave today, folks, will be right at the top of the video description. Whether you're a user, a community member, or a builder, go and check out Arweave today. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, make sure you like, subscribe and hit notifications, especially so you're alerted when new exciting videos are released on the channel, and leave a comment. What do you think about Arweave in this video? I enjoyed bringing you today's video about Arweave, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Cheers!